This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place a chock each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite the wheel to be removed. Using the tool provided in the vehicle toolkit, pull the anti-theft wheel nut cover from place. Using the anti-theft wheel nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the rear suspension arm and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the rear axle. Fully unscrew the retaining nuts and remove the wheel. Slacken and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Remove the upper mounting bolt. Then compress the shock absorber slightly and withdraw it from under the vehicle. Maneuver the shock absorber into position. Then insert the upper mounting bolt. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the axle bracket. Then insert the lower mounting bolt. Tighten both the upper and lower mounting bolts to the specified torque. Locate the wheel over the hub studs. Then refit and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Raise the vehicle slightly. Remove the axle stand, then gently lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel nuts to the specified torque. Refit the cover to the anti-theft nut and remove the wheel chocks.